If you have decided to wet your feet with cryptocurrency, it is essential to know how to raise capital and funds. Initial coin offerings are considered the variation in an initial public offering. There are few government regulations on ICO, which makes it pretty workable. The discussion offers an overview of ICO's workability, types, and elements while reviewing its pros and cons. Let us start. Introduction to ICO. Initial coin offering is your best shot if you have started an entrepreneurial venture to launch new crypto. As a crowdfunding method, ICO is a capital-raising activity often used by startups. In this process, the investors can raise capital without giving ownership of the brand. ICO works effectively when the document is issued, called white paper. A white paper covers how the system would operate and establish an engaging website. The people send you money in crypto or fiat, which is returned in the form of your coin. It will improve the circulation of your digital currency and its value. If the token is an ICO cryptocurrency, it can be sold at a higher price, given that the project gets successful. Moreover, there are no regulations on ICOs in America, and as long as you have tech set up, your currency can be funded. How does ICO work? Before getting into the types of ICO, let us discuss the workability of initial coin offerings. One should have a deep knowledge of finance, technology, and law. To raise money through ICO, the project organizer have the following structure in mind. For starters, the brand is expected to identify the target for the fundraising campaign. After that, the creation of the token process has to begin. As tokens represent an asset in the blockchain, they are fungible and tradable. The procedure to make tokens occurs through specified blockchain platforms. These platforms allow the work to continue with minor changes in the code. Furthermore, the operation of ICO reflects upon the promotion campaign so that the potential investors can be attracted. As the tokens are developed, they are offered to the investors. The company uses the proceeds of the ICO to launch a new service or product. On the other hand, the investors are expected to use the tokens to benefit themselves. A white paper is a crucial part of the planning process in the working of ICO. The white paper is available for the investors through the designed website for the token. Hence, the project is promoted by explaining significant information about the ICO. The information includes what the project is about and how much money would be needed. How long the ICO campaign will run, what type of cryptocurrencies will be accepted, and how many tokens will be kept by the founders will be answered in the white paper. The document is released as part of the ICO campaign. Resultantly, if the money raised is less than the minimum ICO criteria, the money is returned to the investors. Similarly, if the criteria are happily fulfilled, the ICO would be deemed successful and a win-win. Types of ICO. There are two types of initial coin offerings in the crypto world. The first one is private initial coin offerings, where a limited number of investors can participate in the ICO operation. The accredited investors are mostly known as financial institutions and high net worth individuals. After the investors have participated in private ICOs, the company can set a minimum investment amount. The second kind of ICO is public initial coin offerings. It is a crowdfunding technique targeting the general public instead of specialized investors. As a democratized form of investing, anyone can become an investor and get into the crypto world. However, private ICOs are becoming more viable than public initial coin offerings. Now that we have a clear knowledge of the two types of initial coin offerings, let us focus on key elements that make a credible and successful ICO. Key elements that make a successful ICO. To turn your project into a successful venture, a well-planned ICO is the need of the hour. The subsection of this write-up shall introduce some significant elements that make a good ICO. Let us have a look. Thorough research. Comprehensive and thorough research is the way out. It is crucial to create a big picture and understand the proof of concept, the pre-revenue, and post-revenue streams with the progress of the process. Additionally, the ambition and ideal outcome of the ICO should be in mind for desired results. Well-crafted deliverables. The deliverables in ICO should be well crafted so there is no window of error. The deliverables include white paper covering the token economy, blockchain relevancer, and domain industry analysis. Similarly, a conversion target, social media, joining channels, incorporation of legal documents, and heterogeneous content has to be worked upon. Token scarcity. Token scarcity is one of the most credible ways to lure people into the ICO. Having a good token supply may be important, but people are more into rare investments. If you need to turn ICO workable, use the token scarcity phenomena to keep people involved. Sustainable demand. Another important pointer to keep in mind revolves around the sustainable demand of the token. The perfect way is to have a clear pattern that displays the token's sustainable and long-term demand. In mathematical terms, if 50% of the price of a token is in the form of a product, the token will always be alive. The white paper. The detailed study and review of the white paper are essential as the document sketches out the aims and strategies of the project. Different projects have unique priorities. For instance, some lack necessary details but have a sound basis, while others have stratospheric ideas without knowing any ways to achieve the goals. Advantages, disadvantages, and examples of ICO. There are a good deal of disadvantages to using the ICO strategy. For starters, anyone can buy the token and wet their feet. Moreover, there is a high potential for high returns, and the tokens can be sold globally. Another promising positive trait of ICO is there is less barrier to entry with no geographical restrictions, as one of the famous ICOs has no physical appearance. With no intermediaries in the process, the tokens can also be instantly sold out most efficiently. But there are also some cons of ICO. The legality of digital assets is not guaranteed, and it is claimed to be affecting the productivity of economics and finance. ICO also lacks accountability and can be considered as a potential fraud. The volatility factor of ICO continues to damage the reputation of blockchain technologies in the crypto space. Ethereum is the most prominent example of ICO that came in 2014. Other examples of successful ICOs include the DAO, Storage, Bancor, and Siren Labs. Each of these projects brought revenue and made history. Understood. What's next? There are multiple ways to raise capital for your next cryptocurrency project. However, it is essential to have comprehensive workability of what you are getting into. From legal matters to financial ones, profound information is needed. A deep insight into digital coin offerings is offered and what they bring to the table. The different types of ICOs, advantages, disadvantages, workability, and key elements were also